Hey Jay. Hey Jay, what's wrong, darling? ¿Qué fue, papi? Hey Jay. Hey Jay. It's okay, baby. Okay. How about mommy sings a song? She sells seashells by the seashore. She sells seashells by the seashore. Brown and gray and blue, yellow, pink, white, green. Brown and gray and blue, yellow, pink, white, green. You like that song, don't you? You like when mommy sings the music together. Oh, birds in the sky singing songs, flying high. While I'm gonna send this video to Teacher Rosie. Say bye, Teacher Rosie. Bye. Oh, she sells seashells by the seashore. She sells. I told you he loves it.